In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up ElevenLabs talking avatar with no paid subscriptions required. Let's get started. Step 1. Create your ElevenLabs account. Go to ElevenLabs and sign up for a free account. You'll get 10,000 characters per month for text-to-speech, enough for several videos. Next, in Step 2, choose your avatar. Since we're using free community avatars, you have two options. Option A, use a pre-made avatar from platforms like Adobe Express, free animated avatars, Canva, free avatar stickers and characters, Ready Player Me, create a free 3D avatar, or Option B, create your own avatar using Leonardo AI, generate a custom character, Midjourney, free trial, create a unique avatar image, or your own photo, upload a headshot. Pick whichever works best for you and download it as a PNG or JPG. For this tutorial, I will go to ElevenLabs and take screenshot of the avatar, so let's use just one of these. Step 3. Generate your voiceover. Go to ElevenLabs and type or paste your script. In our case, let's generate a text-to-speech which says, "Hi there." And now Step 4. Animate your avatar. Take your avatar image and your ElevenLabs audio file to a free animation tool that does lip sync. Free community tools, Sad Talker, free open source tool on GitHub, Wave to Lip, another open source option, HeyGen, free tier but limited but works for short clips, Canva, upload avatar and add voiceover, sync manually, Adobe Express, some free avatar animation features. For now, I will use Canva, so let's go to Canva AI and upload our avatar and let the tool animate the mouth movement. Step 5. Download and use. Once the animation is done, download your video file and then sync the audio and video using CapCut or other editor. So that is it. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.